Hi, I am Serap Çakar. I am third grade student in English Language Teaching Department of Trabzon University, and I designed the material for material design in language teaching lesson. I use English language teaching curriculum of primary education to make decisions about my material. I designed a material called Funny Animals for second grade students. They are beginner level students, and I considered that point in the process of making my material. I selected the unit 10 animals, and I considered the objectives of that unit in the process of designing my material. I wanted to briefly talk about objectives of my material. With the help of this material, I wanted the students to recognize the names of the animals in the curriculum and also to talk about the abilities and express their likes and dislikes about animals. Considering all of these objectives, in the first stage of my material, I designed 10 different animals with colorful felts and cardboards to attract students' attention. And then I designed something like a keyboard and computer screen and put all of these 10 animals inside of it. And then I added target grammatical structures, can count, and like dislikes into my material. So, in general, I want the students to make sentences about abilities of the animals and likes and dislikes by using this material. Before I finish, I wanted to add that my material can also be adapted in the different units in the curriculum. For example, pets or fruits units in the second grade curriculum can also be used and adapted into this material.
I start with making my animals first, and let's have a quick look at our equipment to make this material. We have colorful handcrafted papers, so many stickers, liquid silicone, colorful felts and cardboards, and a ruler for the first phase of my material. At first, I simply drew the animals. After the drawing stage, I start to make my animals by using colorful felts. First and foremost, I cut the felts according to the animals that I tried to make, and then stick each part of them to compose the animals. I designed these funny animals by following the same steps for each and every one of them. After completing these 10 different animals, I made a box to put them inside and also to use as an extra material in my lesson. Also, I stick these animals to the other felts in order to make them more durable and use them in the lesson as flashcards. Then I finished the design of my box by writing the names of the material outside of it. And this is the last version of the funny animals and the box. In the second phase of the material making process, I designed something like a computer screen, which the animals prepared in the first part can be added inside of it, and learners can write the names of them and make sentences by using the target structure with the help of this material. Firstly, I made something like a keyboard, and in order to do that, I cut the letters first and then stick them to the cardboards. After preparing all of the letters, I added adhesive tapes both to the letters itself and to the cardboard in order to finish designing of the keyboard. Then I start to design the screen by adding thumbs up and thumbs down pictures and target grammatical structures. last version of the material and fine animals are ready to have their places. As you can see, this material can be used both by placing it on the table and by mounting it on the board or wall.
Now, Berat, I want you to think that it is not a box, it's a cage. And the elephants in there wanted to go out. And now I want you to save the elephant from the cage. Can you find the elephant? Perfect! You find the elephant. And now I want you to save the chicken. Perfect! You find it. And now I want you to save the donkey. Well done! You saved it. And now I want you to save the goat. Perfect. Okay, Berat, do you know the name of this animal?
Yes, it's a chicken.
Can you write it? Perfect. You know how to write chicken. Perfect. Do you like chickens?
Yes, I like chickens.
Okay, I like chickens too because they're so lovely. Can they swim?
No, they can't swim.
Yes, chickens can't swim. Can they walk?
Yes, they can walk.
What else do you know about chickens?
They can't fly, but they can run.
Yes. Can they jump?
No, they can't jump.
Yes.
Okay, now we are pairs, and I want you to answer my questions. Do you know the name of this animal?
Yes, it's a goat.
Can you write it? Okay, you write it perfect. Do you like goats?
Yes, I like goats.
No, I don't like goats.
Can they swim?
No, they can't swim.
Can goats walk?
Yes, they can walk.
Okay, Berat, do you know the name of this animal?
Yes, it's a cow.
Can you write it quickly? Do you like cows, by the way?
Yes, I like cows.
Can they walk?
Yes, they can walk.
Can they jump?
No, they can jump.
Yes. What else do you know about cows?
They can run, but they can't swim.
Yes, perfect.